I'm back, but not fully back yet. I'm really sorry for not being present for such a long time, but I think you had enough material to practice your English and your accent. Today, we're going to have something called a summary of modules 1 and 2. So, by now, you should be able to introduce yourself and be able to talk about your house and your neighborhood. Okay, so let's get started. Repeat after me. Hi, my name is Emma, and I'm excited to introduce myself. I'm 28 years old and I work as a graphic designer. I live in Austin, Texas, and I love fashion and art. I usually wear casual clothes. On weekdays, I wear jeans, a t shirt, and sneakers. On weekends, I like to put on a nice dress or a blouse with boots. My style is simple and comfortable. I'm ambitious and friendly. Sometimes I feel nervous before big meetings, but I try to stay calm. My friends say I'm confident, creative, and generous. I care about people and I love making them smile. I live in a small house in a quiet neighborhood. My house has 3 rooms: a living room, a bedroom, and a kitchen. There's also a small bathroom. It's not big, but it's cozy. In the living room, there's a sofa, a coffee table, and a TV. The walls are light blue, and there are some plants by the window. My kitchen is bright and clean. I love cooking there. Outside, there is a small yard with flowers and a tree. My neighborhood is peaceful. There are friendly neighbors, a park, and a store nearby. It's safe and green, and I like going for a walk in the evening. So tell me, what does your house look like? Do you live in a city or maybe in a country? Just write in the comments, please. That's going to be all for today. Your homework is to practice, practice, and once again, practice out loud, of course. Yes? Great. Thanks for today.